The JUKI DDL-8700-H Sewing Machine is a true industrial workhorse, built to handle heavier fabrics with a smooth, consistent, straight stitch that hobby machines rarely match. Its high-speed capability lets you sew long seams quickly while still maintaining clean, even stitches that look professional on both sides of the fabric. The included servo motor offers strong, controlled power with quieter operation and finer speed control than a traditional clutch motor, which is especially helpful for detailed work. Automatic lubrication of the hook and internal components reduces maintenance hassles and helps the machine run cooler and more reliably during long sewing sessions. The complete setup with sturdy table, heavy-duty legs, thread stand, knee lifter, and accessories means you get a full industrial workstation rather than just a bare head unit. Although assembly is required, once everything is put together, the machine feels rock solid, runs smoothly, and is well suited for serious home studios and small production shops.